If you want to automate blog article creation with ChatGPT and Zapier, this tutorial will walk you through the full setup step by step. By the end, you'll know how to connect Zapier to a Google Spreadsheet trigger, pair it with ChatGPT, test the automation, and publish a workflow that helps you generate blog content faster. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this one. Let's get started. First, go to Zapier in your browser and sign into your account. Once you're inside Zapier, look for the Create button. This is where you begin building a new automation, also called a Zap. After clicking Create, choose Zap Workflows. This tells Zapier that you want to build a custom workflow rather than use a pre-built template. Now you'll need to set up the trigger, which is the event that starts your automation. Click on Trigger to begin. In the app search bar, type Google Sheets and select it. Google Sheets is a great trigger source because you can store blog ideas, article titles, outlines, or keyword data in a spreadsheet and let Zapier detect when something new is added. Once you choose Google Sheets, pick the event New Spreadsheet row. This means every time a new row is added, the workflow will start automatically. Next, connect your Google account. Zapier will ask you to log in and grant permission so it can access your spreadsheet data. Make sure you select the correct account, especially if you use more than one Gmail address. After that, choose the spreadsheet and worksheet you want to use for your blog workflow. For example, you might have columns for topic, keyword, tone, and status. This setup makes it easy to feed blog prompts into the system. Once the trigger is ready, move on to the action step. Click on Action to add what happens after Zapier finds a new spreadsheet row. In the app search bar, type ChatGPT and select it. Zapier will then ask you to choose an event. Select Conversation, since this is the step that lets ChatGPT generate your content based on the information from your spreadsheet. Again, you'll need to log into your ChatGPT or OpenAI connected account inside Zapier, depending on your setup. Make sure the account connection is successful so Zapier can send the input data to ChatGPT. After that, click Build It in the top area. This is where you define exactly how ChatGPT should respond. Here's the important part. In your prompt or message field, tell ChatGPT what kind of blog article you want it to create. For example, you can instruct it to write an SEO-friendly blog post, use a specific tone, include an introduction, body sections, and a conclusion, or even format it for a WordPress draft. The more specific you are, the better your results will be. You can also map spreadsheet fields like the topic or keyword directly into the prompt so each new row creates a unique article. After setting up the prompt, it's time to test the automation. Click Test Run to make sure the trigger and action are working properly. Zapier will pull the sample row from your spreadsheet and send it through ChatGPT. Review the output carefully to make sure the content looks right, the format is correct, and the response matches your instructions. If anything looks off, go back and adjust the prompt before testing again. When everything is working the way you want, click Publish. Publishing turns your Zap live, so every time a new spreadsheet row is added, Zapier will automatically send that data to ChatGPT and generate your blog content. This is incredibly useful for content creators, marketers, and bloggers who want to speed up their writing process and keep ideas flowing. And that's it. You've now learned how to use ChatGPT with Zapier for blog articles, from creating the workflow to testing and publishing it. If this tutorial helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step automation guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.